lot of people talk, but they ain't really saying much until they walk a mile in my shoes. Who are they to judge? I done been through the struggle, I done been through the pain. Had a couple of moments where I thought I've gone the same, but through everything, I'm at this point in my life where it's all or nothing, homie, so I gotta decide. My homeboy Shy, he took a chance on me, cause he seen something in me nobody else could see. Was it the fire he seen burning in my eyes, or maybe the desire to do something with my life? I don't know, but I was stuck in that position, losing faith, till I had a talk with him and he put me in my place. He said no matter what, he'd always have my back, so let's look towards the future, cause ain't no turning back. I'ma ride with my boy till the wheels fall off. Feel the vibe being team, we ain't never gonna stop. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Tell them haters take a look at me now. Made it through the struggle and the pain, had to suffer through the rain just to see a brighter day. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Tell them haters take a look at me now. Made it through the struggle and the pain, had to suffer through the rain just to see a brighter day. My life's been a roller coaster through the good and the bad, the happy and the sad. Whether I was cool or got mad. When I was young, I was told that I wouldn't be shit, but I'm 23, making moves, no longer a kid. To everybody that doubted, take a look at me now. You never thought my name would be the one running this town. See, I'm amazed by the phonies that were diss and clown. Now I'm coming up, they're trying to come back around. I forgive but won't forget, live life with no regret, cause I know where I'm from and I know where I step. All you haters are nothing but motivation for me. I just brush you off my shoulders feeling like I'm Jay-Z. How the fuck you gonna stop something you can't explain? Everybody has a place and this is my domain. I ain't giving it up, I work too hard for the spot. I'm taking it easy, headed straight to the top. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Tell them haters take a look at me now. Made it through the struggle and the pain, had to suffer through the rain just to see a brighter day. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down. Tell them haters take a look at me now. Made it through the struggle and the pain, had to suffer through the rain just to see a brighter day.